Okay, so I just wanted to show everyone really quick how to access Google Meet and the different features and functions that we have in Google Meet while we're in this school closure. So first, to access Google Meet, if you click on the 9 boxes up in the corner, so make sure you're on your Penn Trafford account, because if you're not, then you won't have Google Meet for EDU. So click on the 9 boxes and just scroll down until you see Meet. You want to make sure that you click on Meet, not the chat. The chat will just be that, a chat. Google Meet, you want to be able to video, things like that. So click on Google Meet and it'll open. So this is just how you would open a Meet if a student has a question or you have to have a meeting with other teachers. This is not creating a calendar invitation. I have another video for that if you want to create a calendar invitation to invite people. So when you're in Google Meet, you can just join the meeting or start the meeting. So if you click on that, you'll just have to name it. So maybe it'll be office hours, or if you want to put a specific student's name, just a way to keep track. So then it will get everything ready. It will start your camera. And then when you're ready, you can click on Join Now. And so when you click Join Now, it tells you how you can add other people. So there's a link here that you can actually just highlight and you can copy, or you could just click on copy joining info. And if you click on that, it copies it, saves it to your clipboard, and then you can paste it into an email, remind message, something like that. Or you can just click on add people, and then you can actually invite people via email. So then when you're in Google Meet, you'll be able to see how many people are in the Meet up here. You can actually click to see all of the people over on the side, and then you also see the chat function. If you want that to go away, you just click back on your screen. And then down at the bottom, you'll notice that you have a microphone and the camera. This is how you'd mute. So if you want to mute the camera, or this is good to tell students, they can mute their cameras, and then you can also turn off your microphone. This red button in the middle leaves the call, so you want to make sure you don't click on that. And then down here you also have this present option. So if you click on present now, what it's actually going to do is it actually will allow you to either share a window or share your entire screen. So if you are teaching students and you have Google Slides that you want to go through, you can actually click on your entire screen, and that will actually let you share your screen with everyone. And so it's going to ask you which part of your screen do you want to share. So you just click on your screen and you hit share. And now it's going to actually present your screen, share your screen with everyone else that's on the call. When you are done, you can click on stop presenting or stop sharing, and then it goes back, and then they'll be able to see your face. You also have the option by clicking on the 3 buttons down in the right-hand corner that you can record the meeting. I would go through, kind of play around with these features. So when you record the meeting, it will ask for consent, and then you hit accept. And then it will tell you that the recording will start soon, and then you have this record up in the corner. So once this is recorded, it will save into your drive, and so then you can add it to your classroom, you can send it via Remind, you can link it in lesson plans, and then if students aren't able to join live, then they have that recording available for them. You can also stop the recording, so maybe you just want to record a small segment, you can do that, and then you can change layout, go full screen. You can turn on captions, so if it's easier for students to read what you're saying, you can turn on closed captioning, and then you have your settings down at the bottom. When you're done, you just hit leave call, and then that will be it for the Meet.